Good morning, I'm Amelia Puspita Sari
And I'm Rahayu Setyaningsih.
will accompany you today, Monday, October 31st, 2022. For the next 5 minutes, around you present the latest and actual information.
Is not recovered from the flash flood sometimes ago. Masamba district, North Regency, South Sulawesi was hit by floods again Tuesday, August 4, 2020. Subsequent flooding occurred to heavy rains that had flushed the upstream Masamba sub-district since Tuesday afternoon, which made the Masamba River overflow and submerged the resident settlements. In Bonetua village, Bone village, and Baloli village, with flood heights varying between 50 to 80 centimeters. Not Luwu, BPBD Chief Executive Muslim Mukhtar said, in addition to residential area, flooding also submerged the Trans-Sulawesi Masamba Road, which made vehicles unable to pass.
Muslims said at a number of residential places a resident were submerged up to 1 meter, what made residential flee to other places safer. The current flood is a follow-up after 2 weeks ago it was hit by a 2-meter high flood, which broke materials is the form of sand mixed with wood. A number of volunteers who were still in the refugee camps such as PME, SCT and others are now evacuating the residents together not to BPBD.
That's all the news for today. I am Rahayu Setyaningsih,
And I'm Amelia Puspita Sari.
the host of the news this morning. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Good morning.
You're